Welcome to Vision Tech Talks. I'm Jay Cormier, founder and CEO of Eyedaptic. Today, we're going to show how the EYE2 from Eyedaptic can help a user with vision impairment.
So Mr. Newman, with the EYE2 now, what are you able to do?
Well, it's giving me the ability to have independence again. I don't have to rely on other people and their schedules and feel that I have to call on someone anytime I need help. One thing in particular is traveling. I love to travel. My previous job allowed me to travel throughout the world. Recently, I was able to fly up to San Francisco, navigate through the terminal, read my boarding pass, and find the gate on my own without any assistance from a gate agent. Now, as it comes to everyday living, I'm able to now watch TV and watch the tickers on the bottom of the TV while I'm watching the news. And I can actually now follow stocks because it goes by in small print and I'm able to read it. And that's been, it sounds like a small thing, but it's a big thing to me. Grocery shopping, I'm able to go ahead and grab a can off of a shelf, read exactly what's in it, and be able to go home and prepare my own meal off of a recipe and not be in fear of putting the wrong ingredient into my recipe. So that's been something for me that's been a benefit.
Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for our next installment of Vision Tech Talks.